time we have designed a result sheet in Microsoft Excel, and we have discussed a few formulas relevant to result sheet. Today I will design that result sheet again, and I'll apply a nested if formula. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you some new methods for that. First of all, I'm going to title it as it was result sheet. In that result sheet, I'm going to create the same columns as we have created in the last session. Those were roll number, name. For example, I'm going to write father name also here, and then let's leave it English, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, Urdu, Islamic studies, Pakistan studies, total marks, and then we will create obtained marks, percentage, and the last one is grade. And after grade I will write some remarks also. Okay, today I have changed few columns here. Now I will do some formatting. I will merge in center first top row to make it title. I'm going to apply Bankerchief font. I'm going to increase the font size. My text will be in white color and my background will be in black color. Now this is the heading row. I'm going to last time we have discussed that we can resize the cell according to the size of the text. Now I will not resize the text. I will fix the text inside that cell vertically. How? There is a button in the home menu, wrap text. Wrap text. When you click on the wrap text, text will be dropped down. Text will be dropped down in the same cell, and it will show you in the wrapping position. Okay. Now I have designed the heading line in a new style, and I'm going to make it with green and yellow combination. You can also drag it down this way to make it larger vertically. Okay, you can align it in the middle of the cell also. So now last time we have discussed that we'll type the roll numbers like that. I have typed the roll number 121, the second roll number is 122. Now I will not type any more roll numbers here. I will just select them. How to select them? To select them, we have to click in the middle of the cell. In the middle of the cell, you will see a white plus sign, white and a bold plus sign. Here you can see on my cursor. Drag it down, it will be selected. Okay. The other way of selection is you will press shift and down arrow, shift and down arrow to select both of them. After selection, you will take your mouse to the corner of the cell. When you will take your mouse to the corner of the cell, you will see a black color plus sign. It is not white, it is not bold, it is black colored, and it is also slim. Okay. Now click and drag it down it will make a series of numbers. As you have seen, it's a series of numbers. Excel, this property is known as the list property of Microsoft Excel. Okay, list property can automatically draw a list of numbers when we provide the first two successive numbers of the list. Okay, now for names, I'll provide few names. We can't copy the names because there is no list of names, Urdu names in Microsoft Excel. So we have to type them by ourselves. As I have typed them. Okay. After typing the name, now I will do the same thing with the marks of the subject. For example, I am going to give him few marks. I have entered 90 series for the first one, 99, 98, 97 up to 92, and 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83 and 82 for the second person. Now I want this gap to be done for all of the students. I have placed a gap of 10 numbers between the first two students. That student takes 99 marks and the second student takes 89 marks. I need this sequence to be followed for all of them. I need all of them having a gap of 10. Okay, I will select both of them and then I will double click at the corner of the selection. I will select both of them. I will click and drag selection down from the corner. Okay, both are possible. You can select and double click. You can select and drag down. Both methods will make the list property as we want. Now you have seen that by placing the gap of 10, few students are getting negative marks. Okay, these negative marks can place a bad impact on our result sheet. So I'm going to increase here. Okay, for example, this person takes 9, then this takes 10, 8, 11, 12, this is for 13, this is 14, this is 15, this is 16 and this is 17. Okay, I'm going to make it positive. I'm not giving them the highest marks because I'm going to show them as a failure students. Okay, now the total mark series contains only 800 marks. I'm going to double click at the corner of the total. It will be copied in the similar way as we have copied the early ones. Now I will apply the formula for the sum. In the obtained marks, we have already discussed that we will apply formula of sum by pressing equal to sign first, equal to sum, bracket start. Now I don't want to write the range. Okay, as in the previous lecture we wrote the range from C3 to J3. Now I am going to select the range. I will select from here. I have selected from English to Pak Studies. Okay, now you can see that the range is written automatically. Okay, and I will close the bracket and press enter. Now I will copy the formula in the similar fashion. I will just double click at the corner of the formula cell, or I will click and drag down the corner of the formula cell. You will see that all the cell will contain the different formula and all the cell will calculate the sum. Okay, now percentage we have already discussed, that is equal to obtained. Here we have L3 obtained cell, static 100 slash total. The total cell name is K3. Enter, and the percentage is calculated we will copy the percentage formula also. This was our last topic. Now for today I am going to teach you the formula for grade. For this purpose I am going to use the percentage only. Okay, we will use the nested if formula. Which formula? Nested if. Nested if means multiple ifs. This formula is used where there are many conditions and many decisions. For example, a person can have grade A person can have grade B, grade C, grade D, grade E, grade F, and so on. Okay, so there are multiple grades, and a person can have multiple percentages also. Okay, so we are going to use nested if to calculate the grade for that student. Okay, now what is the method of nested if? Let's move. Let's see the cell number of percentage. What is the cell number here? M3. The percentage is contained in cell number M3. That's okay. That's all for us. Okay. Now is equal to if is equal to if. We are going to start the bracket and we will place a logical condition here. Okay. As formula is showing the logical test. Okay. If the logical test is percentage is greater and equal to 90. If that student takes the percentage greater than or equal to 90, comma, the result will be placed in double quotes. Double quote will be placed from shift and double quote A plus, and double quote is closed. Okay, comma, we will again place if, bracket equal to will be added only once at the start of the formula. Okay, if bracket, now the percentage is greater and equal to 70. Greater and equal to 70 mean here between 70 and 90. Okay, comma, double quote, this person will get grade A, comma, if bracket the percentage is greater than and equal to 60, comma, this person will get grade B, comma, if bracket percentage is greater than and equal to 50, between 50 and 60, it means it will get C, comma, if bracket percentage is greater than and equal to 40, between 40 and 50, that student will have D grade, comma, if bracket percentage is greater than and equal to 33, that means between 33 and 40, comma, double quote, he will get only pass, comma, if bracket percentage is greater and equal to 1, that means his percentage is between 1 and 32. Okay, 33, so that person will get failed. Okay, now I have applied all the grades. Okay, but as I have started a bracket after if, every if contains a starting bracket, but no if has closing bracket here. Okay, now let's count the ifs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have placed 7 if conditions. That's why it is called multiple if. Okay, now I am going to close 7 bracket signs. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I will press enter. That person got A plus grade. Now, if I copy the formula, in the second cell, the grade is A, the percentage cell number is M4. Okay, in the third cell, also grade, but percentage cell number is M5, and we will follow the same pattern. Okay, now I am going to write remarks. For remarks, I also need the same formula. Okay, but I need the grade for remarks. I don't need percentage for remarks. Okay, So I have calculated grade for all of the students. You can see that some are getting A grade, some are getting B grade, some are getting C, D, and few are failed also. Okay. Now for remarks, I need this grade cell only. I don't need any other cell. So let's see what is the cell number of grade. It is N3. Okay. Now I am going to apply the remarks formula. Is equal to, if bracket start in the same fashion as previous. Now if bracket start N3 grade is equal to A plus. If a person gets which grade? A plus. Here I did not place greater and equal to. I only placed equal to. Okay. A person gets A plus grade, comma, double quotes, he will get the remark of excellent. Okay. Comma, if bracket N3 is equal to double quotes A. If a person gets A grade, comma, he will get the remark of very good, comma, if bracket the percentage is equal to grade is equal to B, comma, he will get the remark of good only. Okay. Comma, if bracket the grade is C, he will get the remark of fair, comma, if bracket the grade is D, he will get the remark of satisfactory, comma, if the grade is equal to pass, he will remark as needs hard work, comma, if bracket the grade is equal to fail, then he will get the remarks try again. Now we have stated 7 if statements. In the similar fashion, we will close the 7 brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will press enter. Our first student is getting the remark of excellent. Now I will copy the formula and I will take the remarks for all of other students. You can see this is complete result sheet after applying nested if formula.